National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Central Long Island Sound until 8:15 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Penfield Reef, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Penfield Reef, Bridgeport, and mouth of the Housatonic River around 7:20 p.m. Stratford Shoal around 7:35 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Here is